In front of me is OnePlus Nord 6, and today I would like to show you how you can delete Google search bar from home screen. Begin by holding your search bar and waiting for this option to show. When it does, tap on it and confirm your choice in the pop-up by tapping on Remove to remove your widget. So when I do that, as you can see, my search bar was successfully deleted. Now, if you ever wanna restore it, just hold your display and wait for all of those options to show. When they do, hit Widgets at the bottom left corner, tap on Agree and Continue in Statement of Use pop-up, and find the Google app. Once you find it, click on it and swipe to the left. Then hit Add under search bar, hold it, place it wherever you want to, and let go. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!